Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to the World Soul Showdown competition. Let's give it up now to contestant number 1.
Start twerking like Miley, like Miley. Stop twerking like Miley, twerking like Miley, like Miley. Stop twerking like Miley, start twerking like Miley, like Miley. Start twerking like Miley, twerking like Miley, like Miley. Stop twerking like Miley. Come on, break.
Coming right up, contestant number 2. Let's give a round of applause for contestant number 3.
I came in like a wrecking ball. I never hit so hard in love. All I wanted was to break your walls. All you ever did was wreck me. Yeah, you wrecked me.
Rounding off the competition is contestant number 4. And the winner is, ladies and gentlemen, we have a tie. Contestant number 3 and 4.
Your love is like the sun that lights up my whole world. I feel the warmth inside. Your love is like the river that flows down through my veins. I feel the chill inside.
Philip Galit, mga kapamilya! Wow, Philip, iba. Ibang klase naman ang performance mo. Eto naman, alamin natin kung anong nararamdaman ng judges sa performance mo. Miss Angel?
Philip,
Yes, po.
kagaya na nasa audition. Grabe, na-entertain na naman ako. Kagaya nga na sinabi ko, salamat sa brownout talaga. Nagkaroon ako ng dahilan para pasalamatan ng brownout. At Philip, kung sa'yo, bilib na bilib ako sa'yo, pero mas bilib ako sa magulang mo kasi sobrang suporta nila sa'yo.
Thank you very much. Sir FMG?
Philip, galit na galit ang performance mo. Mas bumilib sana ako kung hindi mo kasama yung magulang mo na kaya mo mag-isa. Of course, it's gonna be very difficult, but it would have been perfect if you could do it on your own.
Thank you, Sir FMG. Vice?
Philip, galit. Okay. Sa isang bansa na labis na tinatangkilik ang mga mahuhusay na mananayaw at mahusay na mga awit, pinagdarasal ko na sana ma-appreciate at din ng mga Pinoy, matutunan nilang i-appreciate yung talentong inihahain mo sa amin dahil ang mga nakakagawa niya na tulad mo ay mga matatalino at malalawak ang imahinasyon.
Thank you po. Salamat.
Judge Robin?
Alam mo, Philip, iniisip ko talaga kung paano mo lalagpasan pa yung ginawa mo noon dahil yung napili mong talent kakaiba. Pero ngayong gabing to, nagawa mo yun, nalagpasan mo.
Thank you po.